guys, it's Jackie, and I am here with a hopefully very helpful tutorial about how to apply false lashes. I don't know why I said that like that. I don't know if you've seen my video a little while back about having issues and failing at applying false lashes. If you have not, I will link that in the description box below so you can check that out. And then if you would like to come back and see how I figured out the false lash, then that's great. If you want to just tune in to see how I figured out how to apply false lashes, then we will get to it right now. Okay, so let's do the lashes. So first, when you're doing your lashes, you want to put it on your eye where you would normally put it and make sure it's not too big. If it is too big, which these are not because I pre-cut these, you want to cut the longer side because you don't want the inside to be the long lashes. That would look weird. So you want to cut the longer lash side down and then check it again to make sure that it fits, and then you're ready to apply. So I'm just going to throw this little thing out there. It took me probably about 3 good real tries before I started catching on to what I had to do. I watched other videos first, and yeah, they were informative and kind of helpful. Otherwise, I don't know if I would ever have got this. But I mean, you're not going to get it the first time, you're just not. You may get it the second time if you catch on quickly. I apparently don't catch on as quickly, and it took me 3, possibly 4, but I think it was more like 3 tries to get it, before I was like, oh, I know what I'm doing. So keep that in mind. Don't give up. Just keep trying. You'll get it. And like me, you'll probably wear them every single time you put on makeup now because I like the look of false lashes. So now I'm going to open the glue, and I use the Duo brush on adhesives with vitamins from, I believe it's Ardell. Ardell makes this, and I really like this. It dries quickly and it dries clear, and it has a brush so it's easy to apply. And yeah, so that's the glue I use. A lot of people use the Kiss glue, latex-free Kiss glue. I don't believe this is latex-free, to be honest. I don't know. That's not in English. Yeah, it doesn't say latex-free, so I'm going to assume there's probably latex in this. If you are allergic to latex or you're sensitive to latex, then they have a latex-free glue. It's by Kiss, and you can buy it at pretty much Dollar General, Walmart. I mean, you can find it pretty much anywhere. So first, I'm going to apply the glue, a light layer right here on the top. Okay, I brushed too much off. So a light layer, just so you can see that whitish glaze, as I call it. And then just a little extra on the ends, because that's where it tends to do all the lifting. Just make sure I got a nice glaze. It's hard to see when I hold it up like that. So then you have to wait for it to get tacky. Now, the good thing about this glue is I don't wait very long. I blow on it and then I apply. So this glue, I just really like this glue. It works very well. So then you want to have a mirror and you want to lift your chin, look down into the mirror, try to line up each side where you want them, place it in the middle as close to your lashes as you can, and then adjust the outsides. To where, you know, they're glued down. And I do this before I do my mascara because I find, I don't know why, for me, it's harder to do it when I have mascara on. So I do it before I do the mascara. And now you have to let the glue dry. So while we let this side dry, let's do the other side. Other side, your opposite side, is always harder because, let's face it, if you're right-handed, your right side is just going to be easier than your left. It's just how it is. But unless you're ambidextrous, which I kind of am, so the left side is really not as difficult as it may be for others. Yeah, but practice makes perfect. So you put the glue, little, I don't know, glaze. A little extra on the ends. It's really not that hard. You just got to practice a few times and you get it. Now I have to switch to my left hand to put it on my left eye. And I like to adjust it so my tweezer is right in the middle. Wait for it to get tacky. Unless you're me, then I just wing it. And look down into the mirror. Try to line it up the best you can and place the middle. And then the outer edges. Just make sure it is on as close as you can to the lashes. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I don't ever get it super, ow, I just poked myself. Be careful not to poke yourself. I'm not gonna lie, I don't ever get it like right up against the lashes. I get it darn close. I mean, my eye is watering now. I'll zoom in so you can see. Try not to stare at the lights, they're really bright, but yeah. I get it as close as I can. Wait for it to dry. But you know, so I made the mistake of buying Ardell lashes to begin, and I ruined some because I wasn't good at it and I couldn't get it, and I managed to ruin a pair. So I decided until I get it, I went to the Dollar General and I picked out LA Colors lashes for $1. And I practiced with those, which by the way, LA Color lashes are pretty good lashes for $1, let me tell you. So I used those to practice with because I was like $1 if I ruin them. Grab another pair, it's only $1. So I practiced with those before I went on buying other lashes. These lashes that I'm using right now are the Kiss Ever Easy Lash multi-pack. Doesn't matter if it's a multi-pack or not, but it's the Kiss lashes number E.L.F. So those are the lashes that I am using, and I find these are like the easiest ones for me personally to put on. I don't know why, but they seem to work really well for me. Okay, so now that our glue should be dry, I didn't put a ton, Gonna take some, I'm gonna use Wet n Wild Mega Wear. And we're going to make sure we know where our tweezers are. Put mascara on our upper lashes. Sometimes when you're doing this, you will notice there's a spot that is not where you want it to be. I just noticed this side wasn't glued down. So you can fix that. I'm gonna need more glue for that though. This is the fun part, guys. Having to add more glue crap is trying not to get it on your eyelid and eyelashes is the hardest part. Kind of just pull it away, dab some without getting it on anything, which is really difficult. I mean, sometimes I just get it on stuff. So you dab it on and then you just push it where you want it and let it dry. And then I take my tweezers and I always clamp my lashes down to my natural lashes after I put mascara on so they blend in better. Keep the glue right here in case I need it again. I should have just left it out. I should know better by now. You live, you learn. Do the other one. And yes, I always do this with my mouth open. That one's nice and glued down, yay. Take my tweezers, go along, clamp the lashes together. And there you go. While we're here, I think I'll put some on my lower lashes because I didn't do that yet. I don't know why. I guess I didn't want to look too terribly crazy at the beginning of the video. And there's that. You have lashes on. Yay. See? I'm not going to sit here and be like, oh, you just do this, pop it on, and it's on, because it's not that easy when you're first beginning. You need to keep practicing. Don't give up after the first or second try, because you're going to get it. You will. I promise. I promise, I promise, I promise. You'll get it. And then you won't want to take them off, because, let's face it, they just look so good. Everybody looks better with long lashes. So, yes. I hope this was helpful to you, and I keep touching the mic, forgetting it's there. I hope this was helpful to you, and I hope you nail it and you get it on your first try, but if not, don't give up, you'll get it. So if this was a helpful video and you enjoyed it, please hit the like button. If you have not yet, please hit the subscribe button. I would absolutely love it. And hit the notification bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation. And you will get alerted as soon as my videos go up. And share my videos if you think they'll be helpful to others. That would be great, and help other people find me as well and help me grow. I'm trying to grow. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you tune in for more. And I also hope that you have a great day. Bye.